Here we've got HUAWEI P40 Lite, and let me show you how to activate simple mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here select Simple Mode. And if you would like to activate simplified home screen layout with larger icons and text, just tap on Enable. And that's it. As you can see, we've just activated simple mode, so the fonts are way bigger. Also the icons are definitely larger. You can also check the settings. Here you've got it. Here you've got the text size, Bluetooth, everything is definitely bigger. And then if you'd like to switch it off, all you have to do is tap on the settings and then click on Exit Simple Mode. And now we are back in the standard one. So this is it. This is how you can activate, use and switch off simple mode on your HUAWEI P40 Lite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.